I'm Sandra from Season 1 Masterchef. Today we're here in my dream kitchen and I'm about to show you how to make my favorite Frangipani Tart. So my kids absolutely love this tart. I've made it many times. So just like making the perfect tart, to actually make a beautiful home, I think it takes a lot of planning and preparation. Starts with engaging an architect and asking him to actually design your dream home by putting forward what you really love and you've always dreamt of. My inspiration for designing this home was from my travels and from various magazines. I got inspiration from Singapore, Raffles hotels, the Renaissance architecture, and Hamptons. So far what I've done is I've mixed almond meal with flour, with butter, with icing sugar, vanilla essence and a little bit of orange zest. The space is just absolutely huge. You've got, a 6.5 meter bench top. I've got 2 ovens, 2 warming drawers. I've got a steam oven and I've got, 2 fridges, which is fantastic for a large family. So we've actually mixed the egg whites now. We've integrated it into the beautiful butter and we're about to pour it in. I love my arched windows, the fact that it allows a huge amount of light coming through in the mornings whilst I'm having my coffee. So I've whipped up this beautiful tart. I've actually gotten the raspberries right on top and I'm about to whack it in the oven for 20 minutes. The dining area has 20-foot ceilings and it just gives that sense of space and grandiosity. When entertaining, we all gather around the table and open up the bifold doors and get that beautiful fresh air and look into the beautiful green outlook. It's quite magical. One of the beautiful features about this house as well is the fact that you can play basketball out there, and when in summer you're all sweaty, you come inside and you just jump in the pool straight away to refresh. Now the pool has got a cinema in there, so kids can actually be in the spa or can be in the pool watching a movie with their friends. Now that this cake has been cooked, the whole house is filled with a beautiful smell. It's time to call the kids.